sorry, I forgot to do my intro before I applied this. It's falling down. No, please don't. Oh god, what the heck? Okay, that's a little bit better. So as I said, I forgot to do my intro before I applied this vampire, anyway, teeth. So yeah, this is my second Halloween makeup tutorial, and honestly I love this a little bit more than the first one. I don't know, it's something about cats. Meow. So yeah, I recreated this makeup look from this face chart. I'm going to insert the picture right here. This is from the artist Milk1422 from Instagram. He is so talented. Oh my god, I love his face chart. So yeah, I recreated this makeup look on my face, and the fact that I applied mustache, oh my god. I literally cut a few pieces from this hair extension and I glued them with eyelash glue. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. Oh, this highlight from Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. Oh my god, this looks wet on my face. Amazing. This is on the cusp. Ooh, I love it. So this was my first time trying it today. Oh my god. And also I like this cut crease. I did like a lower cut crease, and overall, as I said, I think I love this makeup look a little bit more than the first one. Also, I did my homework. I printed this so I can see a little bit better the details, because details are everything. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to start by gluing down my brow hairs, because we don't want any hairs peeking through. We want those hairs to chill. And also I'm going to set that with some translucent powder, and then I'm going to do my face makeup like foundation, concealer, bronzer, all that good stuff. And I'm not gonna speak through this part because it's super obvious what I'm doing. I'm creating a cut crease, and in the picture it looked like it had pink eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do pink, I'm going to do gold because we are gold. So yeah, enjoy this cute song.
Waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a bitch, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special guy. Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king now. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. That's our job, but we're not mean in our town of Halloween. In this town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song. Halloween, this is Halloween, this is Halloween.
With this black eyeliner, I'm going to try to elongate my eye like a cat eye, like a tiger eye, you know what I mean. But that Maybelline gel liner, it wasn't black enough, and then I switched with this Vivienne Sabó one, and as you can see here in my inner corner, I elongated that line.
Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween. Everybody scream. Please make way for a very special time.
For my other half, the tiger face, I tried my best to follow the patterns from the picture, but it was a little bit hard, and I end up creating my own spots, like different sizes and shapes and forms, and it kind of looks like in the picture, I'm not gonna lie. Then I went with this orange eyeshadow and I tried to fill in the halos. Also, I used a yellow eyeshadow, you'll see in a second, but it kind of looks like in the picture, and I'm very proud of myself, I'm not gonna lie. With the eyeshadow, I created shadows, like as you can see here, and also I did that on my forehead, on my nose.
This town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
Next, I went with this eyeliner and I tried to create different patterns, different sizes, shapes, forms, smaller ones, bigger ones, and also I created these lines on my nose, and it gives the effect that I was angry, right? With the black eyeshadow, I went on top of those lines and I buffed them a little bit because I didn't want them to be very harsh, and I created more like shadows. I didn't want those lines to be very sharp, if that makes sense. Then I went back with my Maybelline eyeliner, and I created different lines and shapes on my face. I don't know how to explain this. It's pretty obvious what I'm doing, right?
This town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween. Everybody scream. Please make way for a very special time. Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king now. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 Halloween.
This looks like a cut crease, like a black cut crease, and with that black eyeliner I created some lines to give the illusion that I have more lashes on this eye. And on my bottom lashes, yes, I applied a few lashes that I trimmed from these lashes because they are way too long for my eye shape. So yeah, that's that. Oh, and don't forget to apply your highlight. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is on the cusp from Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collaboration. Next I took this pink cream paint and I painted my nose and also applied that on my lips, and I really love that color on my lips.
So in this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a bitch, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special time. Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king now. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
As I said in the intro, I did cut a few hair pieces from my extensions and I created some whiskers and I glued them with eyelash glue. And they look kinda cool, I'm not gonna lie. Next I took this fake vampire teeth and I glued that on my lip, and also I applied a little bit of fake blood because I really wanted my whole look to be exactly as in the picture. You know what I mean, Jellybean?
In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. My teeth just fell off, but it's okay. So, I don't know, it's something about cats because I really love how this turned out. And little details are everything, like my stash. I don't think I have enough time to film another Halloween makeup and edit and post it, unless it's okay to post it like after Halloween. Let me know. You want me to film more Halloween videos and post them after Halloween? Or maybe post them next year? Let me know. So yeah, happy Halloween. Please stay safe. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Meow. Ooh. Wow. Hold on. I'm so happy. Honestly, I attempted to do this makeup look last week and it was bad because I don't know how to put lenses, okay? Of course, it was my first time and it was bad because I should have put this lens like before my makeup, you know, but I learned from that and here I am. Practice makes perfect. Believe it.